In this video, you'll learn how to create a membership product, set up a variation, add member discounts, and configure sales and redemption dates. Before you start, set up any items or passes you want to discount for members. With those ready, you can set up your first membership product. From Products, select Create Product, and then select Membership. Many venues set up several membership products at different levels. For example, Basic, Premium, and Deluxe. Enter the details for the membership you're creating. For example, Basic Membership, and then add a description and image. Next, you'll configure variations. A variation is a price point inside your membership product. For example, you could set different price points for adults and children, or offer a senior discount. Alternatively, you could just repeat the membership product name here. Select the default variation to edit, enter a name, and then choose how members will pay. Use a one-off payment for an annual membership or season pass, or a recurring payment, similar to a subscription, which will charge members a set amount on a regular basis, for example, $30 per month. Enter the price and choose the frequency. You can also set rules such as a minimum payment term or have the membership expire after a certain number of billing periods. Next, let's look at how to add the perks and benefits members will receive. Under the Member Discounts section, select Add Discount. Let's walk through one example in detail, giving members one free entry each month. To set this up, choose Percentage as the discount type. Set it to 100%. Select an entry pass product. Limit it to one redemption per month. Check the box to add a discount name. Enter a clear name like one free visit per month so staff see it at POS. Remember, you can only apply one discount per product. If you plan to offer daily entry, we recommend limiting the frequency to once per day instead of unlimited. This helps prevent members booking friends or family for free and protects your revenue. Beyond free entry, you can also add other types of benefits, like a percentage off food and beverage, a set dollar amount off retail items, or a fixed price for products you choose to include. Offering a mix of benefits is a great way to encourage loyalty, and it can also encourage increased member spending. With your benefits set, select Save to exit the variation and return to the membership page. The next step is to configure the dates to control when the membership can be purchased and used. Sales availability controls when a membership can be bought and how long it stays valid. Days valid from purchase. Begin on the purchase date. For example, set 365 and it's valid for 1 year from the date of sale. Days valid from redemption. Begins on first use. For example, set 90, and it lasts 90 days from the date it is redeemed on. Use only one of these fields. Using both can create conflicts. For recurring memberships, leave both fields blank. The billing cycle controls when the membership is active, and you can't change validity after issuing it. Redemption dates. Define the days when the membership and its discounts can be redeemed. Online checkout sales period. Sets when the membership appears for sale in your online checkout. You can also use this strategically. For example, use it to create a flash sale, like a Black Friday offer by setting a fixed end date, or run a pre-sale campaign, like a summer season pass available from April 1st to May 31st, with benefits starting June 1st when the park opens. You can further customize your membership with settings under Additional Options. Let's look at 3 important settings. First, selecting Guest Can Upgrade is a great way to reduce staff workload. It lets guests upgrade their memberships directly from their online account. Next, the Instructions option lets you add custom notes to your membership. It's a valuable place to reshare perks and set booking expectations. For example, remind members to book online in advance or note that walk-ins won't be accepted. Finally, a critical setting for recurring memberships: booking agreements. Turning this on ensures guests agree to ongoing payment terms when purchasing and helps avoid disputes later. With all your options set, select Save to create your membership. You've now learned how to create a membership product, set up a variation, add member discounts, and configure sales and redemption dates. These steps are the foundation for building strategic and valuable membership offers in Venue Manager.